Hello everyone. Now I'm sure all of you have this question. Is Power BI a replacement for Excel? As I mentioned before, the short answer is no. In certain ways, Power BI is better than Excel. It allows you to make more dynamic interactive charts. You have more than 350 different chart options available. The ETL capability, the modeling that you have is fantastic. But keep in mind that there is much more similarity between Excel and Power BI than what you would imagine. Also, there are certain things that Excel is fantastic at, and Power BI would not really be the tool of choice. Now, there are two components in Power BI, which is Power Query and Power Pivot, which are common between Excel and Power BI. What that means is that for the initial part of your development process, which is the data preparation part of it, where you have to extract the data from the data source, which is either a local file or something on the cloud or on a database, then you have to do transformation and changes on it. And then you have to create a model and link it with other datasets. All of this can be done either on Excel or on Power BI. So Power Query and Power Pivot are common between Power BI and Excel. The core difference is that Power BI offers you much more when it comes to the visualization side of it. So you have a lot of AI features available in Power BI, which would not be available in Excel. But to talk about this in a little more detail, I have created a table here. Of course, I'll not read all these points right now, but I would suggest that all of you definitely spend 5 minutes and go through it and try and see what are the subtle differences between Excel and Power BI. What about PowerPoint? Now, if you're working with one of the more recent versions of Microsoft 365, then you should be able to see Insert Power BI. So there's a button here, and when you click on it, you can just paste a URL from your Power BI service. And as you can see, you have a dynamic interactive report running inside PowerPoint. I'll not give you the live example now since we'll be covering this in detail later, but it's fantastic to know that you have a feature like this. Remember, this is something quite uncommon because, for example, when you work on Tableau, there isn't an easy way to present it on a slide. So this really is something where Power BI has a huge advantage compared to other tools in the market because it integrates so seamlessly with both Excel and PowerPoint. But I will be giving you a live demonstration later.